Trail Benders Overland is presented by Stock Media and supporting sponsor, The Waterport.
Dang, it's either Amazon or who'd that be? Dang. What?
It's up there.
Nah, why you lying?
Dang!
Dang! He be.
I was hiding.
Dang. I went upstairs to grab the camera.
With it?
And then you came.
And then we're here.
Dang. And you got a package.
Woo!
From Amazon.
Oh, dang. Let's open this up.
Open this ARB
no
bumper.
way. Oh, what? There's a bumper in there?
Dude.
No way. No, it's a win. No. No, that's a bumper for
No,
sure.
it's a bumper for sure.
That's a bumper for sure. Ready? Ready? Dang. Dang!
Dang!
What the heck?
Yeah, turn
Dang.
around.
What?
Dude, look at the details. And has your plate on there.
What? No way. Oh, that is so rad.
Dude, flip that around.
Let's see it. No!
Dang!
Woo!
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And flip.
Hey! Was this an XL, double XL?
No, large.
Shoot. Pajamas. Dang!
Fits bomb. Dude, that's awesome.
What?
It's official.
That's so rad.
See, I got the ARB bumper right there. the wouldn't you ask for?
Finally.
Dang.
Let's get this thing open.
Dang.
Nice. Steven didn't have a light bar or a CB yet, so got him a light bar.
Oh,
Oh, there's the parts.
Mom.
Can of CB.
Dylan has convinced me to go CB.
Because that's what I got.
Dang. Oop. The instructions.
Yeah. Now we'll be able to actually talk to each other. On the
Service
trip.
rules. It's gotta be rules.
Important. That's important.
Yeah, sure is.
Yep. Okay, read that. Check.
Check in the box.
There it is. It's a 520 XL. Unit N 520 XL. Put it down. We got some work to do on his truck today before we leave tomorrow.
Dang, that's a puzzle to get this thing back in there. What is this, origami? Alright. We'll just leave it right there. It ain't going nowhere.
I got him the light bar and the CB, but I told him he had to get his own antenna.
Wilson.
The Will.
The little Will.
Very nice. We got our work cut out for us today.
Bought the Escape Buddy. Found those online. I haven't used them yet, so
How much were they?
I think they were like $129. Really good price, so they're really big in size.
Yeah, they look good.
They feel good. So they're called an escape buddy. So hopefully they'll help me escape
Yeah.
from some of the stuff that I will be going through this weekend.
It's a big piece of iron.
Yeah, I don't even. It's actually from the Titanic.
Yeah.
and I may sink when we go on this adventure. That's
It's gonna sink into your hood.
Yeah, it is. Dude, that thing is heavy.
Okay, let's see what we got. Sarah and I have been on a trip for the last week or so, and I didn't have a chance to order this stuff yet, so I just had it sent straight to Steven's house in Vegas. What do we got here? 175, sorry. 175 piece solderless terminal and connect crimping
Dang,
kit.
say that 5 times fast. Sunferno. Sunferno?
No, what's it called? The strap. It's a
Recovery strap?
recovery strap.
It's on the box.
A tow and recovery strap. So let's get this thing open quick. I want to see it. This is supposed to be a great recovery strap. It's $40 compared to a lot of other ones that are like 80 to 100 plus. And it's supposed to have, I don't know, 10 or 20% stretch,
Dang.
which is good for your vehicles when you're yanking on them out of the mud. It's 20 feet long, 3 inches wide. 3 inches is kind of big, but you know, it's supposed to be a good strap, so that's okay.
Struggle of my life.
Yeah. All right, let's get to work. Okay, we're starting out to get the light bar mounted. We're gonna start by screwing these brackets onto the light bar. And then that'll give us our distance between brackets for when we put them on the front of this cage here. You want it down low like that?
No, a little bit higher.
Up here?
Not that high. Yeah,
or
like
right
centered.
in the middle. And if we put this that high, just a little scratch. Our holes drilled. Get these threaded on loose, and then we'll put the light bar on and then tighten it all down. Oh, what do you know? Red is positive, black is negative. Is that going the right way? I'm loosening it.
This may look familiar right here. That is our DIY awning that we.
That's the Home Depot awning.
That's the Home Depot awning that we built for under $100. It was $84 to be exact.
That's without a case.
Without a case. Yep. If you want to know more about how to build it, you can
got a
go.
full build video on that one.
Yeah, whole build video. All right. Recording straight from the phone, but this
we
is.
gotta record this. Thank you,
having-
Allie, for the beautiful dinner.
So delicious.
We're having some lasagna, homemade lasagna, and some salad. And this will be our last family meal before our trip. That will be heading out tomorrow. So, like I was saying, first checkpoint is
Town.
gas, and then second checkpoint's going to be right by. I want to say it's maybe 16 miles outside of the Zion National Park, and we'll camp there for the night. Get up in the morning, and we can go into Zion. Have you ever been into Zion? We can go into Zion. Got some. We'll bring up the HEMA maps tonight.
Yeah.
And just go over our route But yeah, we have a lot of time. So we got tomorrow. It's gonna be Sunday. So Monday we'll have all day to kind of go exploring. We can go hiking. And then from hiking all day, and then it's a 6-hour trail.
Yeah.
So I figured Tuesday, all day Tuesday.
It was trail.
Monday is like hiking. We can go actually into Zion, take the buses, go hiking and stuff.
Oh, is it bus time? It's not bus time, it's winter. There's no buses in the winter.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So,
Down season, you don't take buses through the park, you could drive through.
oh, you'll always learn something new.
That's good.
So anyways, I'm gonna cut the video here.
I need more lasagna.
More lasagna.
Trail Benders in the back.
That's
No
it.
damn.
Yep. Oh, that's something in my tooth.
Alright, we're getting ready to leave here soon. Just finished making Steven's cover for his awning, finally.
Stitch that mug good.
Yeah.
Look at this. Bomb. You haven't even been sewing for very long, and look how clean that is.
Yeah, I did mine by hand, and it doesn't look anywhere near as good as that, so. What's next?
Well, we gotta get the, you finally finished the light bar,
Yeah, I got that wired up last night. We did the rear diff breather.
but it isn't official until, it's crispy and mud
Let's
comes
do
out.
it. Let's see it.
Oh,
Nice.
so crispy that thing. So, got it wired, and then, we also put the water port on the back. That's already filled. These are nice and attached, locked. Bomb. Now I just gotta go get the heater and the rest of the items, and then we'll be at it. I'm supposed to be out of here at 3, which is in 2 minutes. So, trying to make that happen.
Yeah.
Oh, and then we put the,
Oh yeah, I got the high lift mounted. Steven didn't have a place for it yet, so we just threw it on top of my recovery tracks here. And here's my water port. Water ports are our shower of choice. It's like 3.5 gallons, 3.3. And here's the rear. Got a platform, just made it out of wood, and covered it in bed liner, Rust-Oleum. Just gotta grab the drone, couple other things, and we'll be ready to hit the road.
Alrighty, well, we have officially started our trip for 2018. This will be the first trip that we have done in this year, so let's make it a good one.
So where are we headed right now?
So the first gas station is going to be about a mile away. We're going to see if they have propane and or if they can point us in the direction where we can find propane. Because when I'm pulling it up on the map, I don't see anything that is leading me to propane.
Copy, yeah, hopefully we find it pretty quick because we're running out of daylight.
Steve says that there is one possibly over by Smith's, so we're gonna go check it out. Copy.
The gas stations we've been to don't refill and can't tell us where you can get it refilled. It's kind of looking like everywhere is exchange only, and we have a tank that we want to fill up, and it's, well, not one of these exchange ones, so yeah, we'll keep trying.
I don't know, but it's been starting to sputter, and yeah, let's get under the hood and check it out.
Copy that. Hope it's nothing serious.